guys are about to witness the world's most biggest culvert. This is the biggest in the county at the moment. Oh, you guys don't even know. Like, look at my headroom. Like, it's like sitting in a car. But standing in a car. And then you have the headroom when you're sitting. This is huge. You guys don't even know. Look at this thing. Like, crap. It's massive. I don't know if you can see it or anything, but it's wow. Landon, I know you thought that was a big culvert, but oh my gosh. I can stand in here, I mean, come on, man. But if you look at the amount of power that pulls in these huge rocks, these aren't man-set, these are water, people. I mean, look at those. These are boulders. Sorry, I mean, this is just... Ever seen anything? There is a little caterpillar. Alright.